How to delete your chess account. The very first thing you want to do is head over to the web browser in which you usually play your chess. Let me move into Google Chrome. And then you need to move into the site chess.com. Once you are on the official page of chess, you need to make sure that you are logged into your chess account. Once you are in here, tap on this gear icon at the top right, and then head over to your profile. It will land you on this page. Scroll all the way down and right here you will see the option of manage account. Head over to it. Once again scroll down and right here it says do you want to close your chess account permanently. So in order to delete, what you want to do is first of all enter the email address that is associated with this chess account. Once you have entered your email address, the next thing you want to do is right here you need to enter the text that is given in this image. Once you are done, tap on confirm identity. Once again scroll down and you'll find the option of close my account. Tap on it. You need to state the reason why you want to delete your account. You can just choose any of the reason from here and then tap on close my account. There you go, your chess account has been successfully deleted. Well, that's all for today and this is simply how you can delete your chess account. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.